Hello and welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to create this beautiful motion background animation in After Effects. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. We'll start by creating a new composition. Now the next step that we are going to do is we are going to add a shape here. We'll just add any shape here. Make sure that fill is disabled and stroke is enabled. Now the next step is to add effects to our shape layer. So the very first effect that we are going to add is radio waves. Let us drag this and drop it onto our shape layer. Now if I run this, you will see that we get this radio waves animation. I'll just keep it here. Now I'll just minimize this and we'll add another effect to this, that is 4 color gradient. Now here you can see already our radio waves are having this 4 colors. We can now play with these colors. So I'll just make this all red so that it resembles lava. Make this chrome and I'll make this orange, or I can make this slightly pink. Okay. So there we go. Now we have our colors, so I'll just minimize this also. Now I'll add another effect which is turbulent displace. So this effect I'm going to drag it onto our shape layer. So here we have this. Now what we are going to do is we are going to change the amount from 50 to 650. Now you can see already our animation is happening here. So now the next effect that we are going to add is wave warp. Okay, we'll be adding wave warp to our shape layer. Now here we are going to change the to smooth noise and then wave height to 6 and wave width to 6. Okay, so there we have it. Now the final effect that we are going to add is glow. We'll be applying glow to our animation. I'll just use this glow and put it here, and there you go, you already have a glow. Now we'll just increase the glow radius from 10 to. So guys, our animation is ready. So here is the final product. So guys, hope you liked this animation. If you did like the animation, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, have a good day.